5, 9, Hello. This week on My Drug Kitchen, we spill early. This week on My Drug Kitchen, we use power tools. Never meet your heroes. Why do people cook for fun? Holy guacamole. I've been having fun for years. While people think making a souffle is hard, I just made one when I was drunk. This week on My Drug Kitchen, we are going to talk about challenges. And no, I don't mean the various challenges you see online. Here's a brief interaction. Here's my brief. I'm trying to combine interaction and enactment. Here's my brief enactment. Inaction, is that reenactment? That's the word I'm thinking of. Here's a brief reenactment of all of them. Hoobily-hoo, I'm desperate for content. Too much? I agree. I like challenges. Anyway guys, this week we're talking about challenges. Why? Because I'm getting older. And you can tell because I'm drinking something called sparkling Chardonnay. If you guys want to try your own bottle of sparkling Chardonnay, be sure to head over to trywink.com/harto where you can get $22 off your first order. That's 4 bottles of wine a month for the price of 3, but this very first order has $22 off. So trywink.com/harto. Whew. Anyway guys, this week on My Drug Kitchen, we're talking about challenges and getting older. Because when you get older, life gets more and more boring and redundant and monotonous. But life has to stay interesting. So how are you gonna keep life interesting? By challenging yourself. And for me, what could be more challenging than putting any effort at all into cooking? Which is why I'm gonna make a souffle. There you go. Cheers. Spoiler alerts, kids. Being an adult is amazing at first, like when you're in your 20s and you have so much freedom and slightly more money than you've ever had before, but then you hit your 30s and you realize it's just the same thing over and over again until you die. Frederick, how dare you abandon me in my time of need? Sparkling Chardonnay. Pre-bake your oven to 375. So frothy. Melt chocolate, generously butter souffle dish and sprinkle with sugar, knocking out excess. Put butter inside your ceramic or glass souffle dishes. I'm using these ramekins and I hope it's right. I think it's right. I'm genuinely trying not to screw up this recipe because when you get older, screwing things up isn't nearly as fun. Why, you may ask? Because you're running out of time. To you, liver and kidneys. To you. When you get old like me, you need to enjoy the simple things, like incredibly fancy butter for absolutely no reason. You tell me this butter doesn't have something to prove. Butter your dishes. I'm doing this off camera. Bling, bling, bling. 1/3 cup sugar. Okay, just sugar. Regular old sugar, huh? Ooh, so buttery and sugary. I feel like it's a dessert already. It's not. Drink has a reward for all of your efforts. Be sure to grip the cup with the towel because your hands are now too slick with butter to hold it on your own. You know, when I first started this show, I was being a parody of the person I'm slowly becoming. Sincerely. Sparkling Chardonnay, hey girl! Melt chocolate in a metal bowl, set over a saucepan of barely simmering water, stirring occasionally until smooth. Remove bowl from heat and stir in yolks. Wait, yolks? Do I have to do something? Oh my god, I need to separate yolks and whites. Oh god, why would they put that in the ingredients and not the steps? Why would you put that in the ingredients and not the steps? So, go back to invisible step number 0. Here's an important step. The key to making a good souffle is making sure your eggs are room temperature, not spa eggs. These eggs are warmish. They don't feel as good as your standard freezing cold spa egg. Well, they're still pretty good. Not gonna lie, I'm still enjoying this. Oh, maybe I have TMJ. Okay, wash off all the gross chicken, period. So, next, take 5. Ooh, oh. You know, when I was young, I never needed anyone. 5 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. Here we go. How many ounces is this? This is 12 ounces. It's like they're having a parade. Not really. Give me just one moment while I get a broom. Let's make sweeping fun. You heat this chocolate. Guys, we did it! Look at this! Look at this, we melted chocolate. The next step is to stir in the yolks. Go, quickly, quickly. Just drop them in. Yes, we gotta stir in the yolks. Yes. Okay, now the instructions say the mixture will stiffen. So keep going. This looks stiffened. Oh no, it says beat whites with a pinch of salt in your large mixing. This is my only mixing bowl. So we're in a bit of an impasse. So instead of giving up, I'm simply going to transfer the chocolate into this ceramic bowl. Before you embark on any new challenge or task, make sure you have the proper resources at hand for the inevitable bumps along the way. Bumps that could be 100% foreseen, like needing 2 mixing bowls. This is all a metaphor actually, and has some meaning to it, which is that the older you get, it doesn't mean challenges, unexpected challenges won't come at you. Just make sure you have the right resources for you in place. In my case, for instance, 2 mixing bowls. Wouldn't that have been nice? No, I want to be a fun mom. Isn't it fun? Isn't it fun? The souffle is turning out terribly. What about the other moms in the school? They're gonna have such good souffle. What kind of school makes souffles instead of cupcakes? That's the question. Beat whites with a pinch of salt in a large bowl with an electric mixer at medium speed until they hold soft beaks. This is exhausting. Okay. Beat egg whites with a pinch of salt in a large bowl with an electric mixer at medium speed. Let's go. Uh-oh, you're already ahead of the curve. Medium speed. Oh my God, I think it's doing it. We got it. Now be very nervous and hesitant about this because you're so scared of fucking up. That's what a challenge is. It's something you're not very confident about. At this moment, I'm filled with a crippling sense of doubt. Can you pour wine into my mouth? Why does it look like that? Is that the way it's supposed to be? Day 6 of making the souffle. We have not had firm peaks, but I'm just gonna mix it all together and then bake it anyway. Because this is how we learn. By trying and failing. We don't know if it's a failure yet, but I'm pretty sure it is. Guys, here's where we stand right now. These are supposed to be fluffy. We go into this, and then we bake it. It's clearly a disaster, but I want to see how it turns out. So let's keep going. Uh-oh. Okay, now stir that in. Stir it all together. Look at this. Oh, this seems very soufflé-y. Maybe there was too many eggs. Who's to say? Pour it into your souffle cup. Oh. Guys, what if it turned out perfectly? Wouldn't that be neat? Here we go, into the oven. Good night. Okay, now clean up. Trying is fun. Okay, this is the most dangerous part of a souffle. Finishing glass of the wine, courage, oh Jesus. Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay. Wow! Wait, hold on. It's so beautiful. Do you guys see? Slowly coming to focus. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Guys. Look. So, it's turned out beautiful looking. It says serve immediately, but also I'm too scared to touch it. I didn't think that it would turn out like this, but let's try it anyway. Guys, what if the souffle turned out okay? Oh my god, is this hope? Is this feeling called hope? It didn't sink in or anything. It looks like kind of decent, right? If anybody here knows anything about souffles, maybe you're shaking your head no, but let's just check. Shh. Guess spoon. I think this is an opportune time for me to say I've never had a souffle and I also don't know how it's supposed to turn out. So with that in mind, bon appetit. I think it's pink. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't have anything defining to say. I'm really proud of myself right now. I hope you got something out of this video. I got a lot out of this video, unexpected. So